I've always wanted to record while jogging, so see if this turns out, because I don't know what to do for 1,000 subs. I don't even have a drone, so it's not like I can make a drone video for it. At least not a good one, right? So figured, oh, look at that guy. Hey. So I figured I would just run until I go up 1,000 feet, and we'll do some reminiscing along the way. I feel like there's a few cool little tidbits here and there buried in long videos relating to music that we could take a moment to highlight and check out while we go on this long run. Oh, there it is. See that mountain? Yeah, just a couple miles away. We got this. You know, I was really planning on running a mile to the base and then a mile up a nice path. I'm currently 2 miles in, a little bit lost, but going up. It's not the path I imagined. It's a lot harder than I imagined. There's a bunch of spots and dead ends where the paved streets stopped, where I could have turned around. But just kept thinking about how much I wanted that shot at the top of the mountain by the cross. And I'm gonna get there. No matter what it takes. The journey is what it's all about, because this is probably much more exciting and memorable and better exercise than my plan. I'm looking out for snakes, predators. Feels good. You know what? It's a good analogy for life. YouTube, whatever. If you remember that cross that I was talking about, it was my goal to get up to that cross, but I focused on the journey. And look where I came out. I don't know if you can see it, but way down there is the cross. That was my goal. But look, I'm at the top. And now that I'm at the top, I can see other peaks and other goals that I never would have been able to see if I was all the way down there on the side of the mountain. Holy, what a life-changing hike. I'm gonna keep my head up and I'm gonna hike to the top. And you know what? I think it's time to get to the next highest peak. Wow, so really crazy footage. Even looking back at it, it's just breathtaking, especially that dam. Well, yeah, I hope we've had plenty of time to reminisce on some of those YouTube videos, and wow, what a great journey. Thank you all for being there with me. We were probably about 1,000 feet up over there, 1,000 subscribers. I don't even know what that means that I have to do for 10,000. That's probably gonna require a bigger mountain or something. A little bit of gear, more than my old Nikes and a Hooters tee. But just wanted to come up here to say thank you all. You know, this little journey that you just took with me is kind of a representation of how hard it's been to even get to 1,000 and how far I want to take it. So, you know, I think Arizona's the place, and now's the time. Thank you all for watching this. If you're watching this and you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It obviously means the world to me, and I can't wait to see where this takes us next. All right, Corona out. Peace.